Hi friends, this is me Sahil Khan and you are watching my YouTube channel English Talk with Sahil Khan. I hope you will be fine and learning English language in great way. So my dear friends, if you are learning English language and you don't know that how to speak in English, how to express ourselves in English and how to ask question and other things regarding English language, so please watch this video till the end. You will get some new information in this video. So my dear friends, in today's video I'm going to tell that why did I like English language, why I didn't go for any other language like Hindi, Sanskrit, Urdu. There are many language, why only I liked English language. So please watch this video till the end. You will get all the answer regarding this question. So my dear friends, here are some noise. I am going there, then I will shoot video. Please watch this video. Yeah, I think I am comfortable here and I can make video in easy way. So my dear friends, I was saying that why did I like English language. So I will give you all the answer regarding this question. So basically did like I like sorry I liked English language because of English is easy to understand, easy to learn, easy to express. Why? Because the grammar of English very easy. You don't know? Yes, you don't know. Grammar of English is very easy. When will you learn this? So very very low. Sorry my viewers, I had stopped there due to some reason. So my dear friends, I was saying that the grammar of English very easy to learn, and the other things, English is a universal language. It is spoken on anywhere, whether in Australia, in Britain, in America, on anywhere. If you will go, so you can express yourself by English language, but uh, it is not workable with other language like Urdu, Hindi. It is only spoken on a specified area. So that's why English is easy to understand, easy to speak, easy to learn, easy to express in all the words. That's why I liked English language. And as we know, there are all the studies which is very high profile. uh, all the all has been done in English language. That's why English is important for us in our daily life. And as we are looking in the world, the craze of English is rising day by day. So that's why we should learn English language. If you are enjoying this video, so please like this video and share it with your friend. uh, Please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for never missing any latest update. You will get like this conversation in English. Please support me. I'm your Sahil, and bye.